Well, Lee, congratulations. You knew this day was coming since last week, but how's it feel now?
Amazing. And the boys, and we're just delighted now to be back in the Welsh Premier League.
And you got to celebrate today on the final day in front of your own fans.
Yeah, absolutely. What a good turnout again, you know. Everyone. We're just delighted now, you know, to put on a show today, to get the 3 points again, and just, again, back in the Welsh Premier League. I'm lost for words.
O Joe, da chi'n gwybod bod y diwrnod ma'n dod ers penwythnos diwetha, sut mae'n teimlo rwan?
Yeah, really dda, boys, and fantastic heddiw, a neis I gorffen gyda win arall, so yeah, nice.
A neis I orffen y tymor o flaen eich cyfnogwyr eich hunan hefyd?
Yeah, tywod, o'n nhw wedi really dangos lan heddiw, oedd y sŵn yn enfawr fan hyn, so yeah.
A'r dathliadau, da ni newydd weld chi a'r cyfnogwyr hefyd, mae'n o'n ddwrnod arbennig i'r clwb.
Yeah, ydy, just dechrau'r dathliadau yw hwnna, so yeah. Ni'n mynd I mwynhau nawr a wedyn edrych ymlaen at tymor nesaf.
Honestly, best feeling I've had in my life since playing football so far. Absolutely awesome.
What does it mean, not just winning the league, of course, but promotion now to the Welsh Premier League?
It's class. The club have tried for years, and to be fair, and they finally had it. Fair play to them. They've got a quality bunch of supporters. They turn up every week, and it's just, they deserve everything. Like.
Boedd wedi heiddi fe yn y dy, mae wedi bod yn tymor anodd mewn ffordd a Tro Thomas di gwthio ni hyd at y diwedd, ond y ffodus oedd wedi wneud cyn heddi mewn ffordd, so ni gallu mwynhau'r dydd, ond oedd e'n neis cael y fudigoliaeth heddi a pawb yn hapus wrth y modd a y clwb nôl le maen nhw heiddi fod.
How do you reflect on this whole season?
It's been up and down, roller coaster. You know, we've lost some real key players. Ethan Can, Sean Cronin most recently, James Parry. Lost so many players through the season, but then we've gone and recruited about in January. So I think that was the difference. We go and sign Liam Eason. He's got 12 goals in 13 games, and he's got us over the line. But it's the squad. The squad have got us over the line. It's been key moments in games that we've had to fight through, last-minute winners, and we've hung in there, and we've got what we needed.
Mae'n amlwg, mae'n tre a clwb sydd gyda hanes a traddodiad y bod ar y lefel ucha yng Nghymru. A mae'n heiddi fod nôl na, a ni'n falch bod ni wedi gallu gwneud y tymor yma, ti'n bod ail dwywaith, o ti'n meddwl, dim unwaith eto nawr, ond mae'r clwb yma nôl nawr, a y heriw I aros yn yr uwch gyngrair, a beth byddwn ni'n edrych I dechrau cynllunio I wneud nawr.
Are you going to be celebrating tonight, or are you already thinking about next season?
No, I'm celebrating tonight. I've been thinking about next season for the last